I'm Marina from Yes to Tech and welcome back to my channel. Wondering how to set up OBS for webinars? In this OBS tutorial, I'll be sharing how to use the OBS Studio for business video streaming and webinars. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use OBS for webinars so that you can create a more professional webinar setup that'll look more professional and get you better results. If you're excited about this video, make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And with that said, let's jump right in. First off, if you don't have OBS downloaded on your computer yet, head over to obsproject.com to install it. OBS is a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming, so you can get up and running without paying a dime. You can download OBS Studio for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you've successfully downloaded OBS Studio, click on its icon to open it up. When you open up OBS for the first time, it'll ask you to specify what you want to use the program for. Either optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, or optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. The auto configuration wizard will determine the best settings based on your computer specs and internet speed. Since we plan on creating a webinar using OBS, select optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, and then click on next. Now we need to specify the video settings we would like to use. Since we are setting up OBS for a webinar that'll be streamed on YouTube, change the base canvas resolution from use current, which is 1440 by 900, to 1920 by 1080. And change FPS from either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible, to either 60 or 30, but prefer high resolution. Once you're done changing these video settings in OBS Studio, click on Next. OBS now asks us to enter our stream information. For a service, switch from Twitch to YouTube. To access your YouTube stream key, on YouTube, click on the video camera icon on the top right-hand side, and then on Go Live. Make sure that the Stream option is selected on the left-hand side, and under Stream Settings, click on Copy next to Stream Key. Back in OBS Studio, paste the stream key in the space provided, and then click on Next. It says the bandwidth test is about to stream randomized video data without audio to your channel. If you're able, it's recommended to temporarily turn off saving video of streams and set the stream to private until after the test has completed. Click on Yes to continue. The program is now executing a set of tests to estimate the most ideal settings. This may take a few minutes. Once the test is done, click on Apply Settings. The program has determined that these estimated settings are the most ideal for you. To use these settings, go ahead and click on Apply Settings. Now we can start setting up OBS to host our webinar. To do so, click on the plus icon under Sources. This is where we can add a number of elements to our webinar stream, including audio input capture, audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture, image slideshow, jack input client, media source, scene, siphon client, text, video capture device, window capture, and group a number of these elements together. When it comes to creating a webinar using OBS, the most important elements to add are your screen as well as your video recording. There are two ways you can add your screen. The first way is by selecting the display capture element. Make sure that Create New is selected, as well as Make Source Visible, and then click on OK. Click on OK again under the Properties for Display Capture. By selecting this option, everything that you show on your screen will be visible. So if you go from Chrome to Keynote to another application, your webinar attendees will be able to see all that. The second way to add your screen in OBS Studio is by selecting the window capture element. Make sure that Create New is selected, as well as Make Source Visible, and then click on OK. Under Window, select the window you wish to be apparent to your webinar attendees, such as Keynote. By selecting Window Capture as an element, the only thing that your webinar attendees will be able to view is the window that is selected. So if you open up Chrome, for instance, they will not be able to see that. You can click and drag on the corners of the window capture element to resize it, or right-click on it, select Transform, and then Fit to Screen so that it resizes to the complete screen size. To add your video recording, select the video capture device element. Make sure that Create New is selected, as well as Make Source Visible, and then click on OK. Under Device, select the camera that you use, in my case, FaceTime HD camera, and then click on OK. You can drag this video recording element to the location of your choice and resize it so that it appears on the top right-hand side, for instance. Once you have finished setting up OBS for your webinar with all of the sources you wish to add, click on Start Streaming on the right. Now if you head over to the Stream tab we were on previously on YouTube, you'll notice your OBS live stream in action. Once you're done hosting your webinar with OBS, click on Stop Streaming on OBS, as well as on End Stream, and then on End on YouTube. If you're serious about creating a webinar using OBS, make sure you check out our webinar sales funnel template by clicking on the link in the description box below to boost your webinar sign-up rate, increase the number of people who show up live, and skyrocket your sales. Make sure you comment below and let me know if you'll be using OBS Studio for business video streaming and webinars. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 9:45 a.m. Eastern. As you wait for my next video to go live, check out these two videos I have right here, and I'll see you in my next video.